Back pain is one of the most common problems people face today. You sit at a desk all day, you slouch on the couch, you're hunched over your phone, your lower back tightens, your upper back gets stiff, and suddenly you're experiencing constant pain that just won't go away. Most people think they need to go to a doctor or a physical therapist. But here's the thing. Often, back pain is simply caused by tight muscles. And the solution? Stretching. The right stretches can relieve back pain in days, not weeks. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 stretching exercises that are scientifically proven to relieve back pain. These aren't complicated. You can do them at home. You can do them in your office. You can do them anytime, anywhere. And they actually work. People are reporting significant pain relief within the first week of doing these regularly. Before we get into the stretches, let me tell you why stretching is so powerful for back pain. Your back muscles are connected to your entire posterior chain. Your hamstrings, your glutes, your hip flexors, all of these affect your back. When these muscles are tight, they pull on your spine. They create tension, they create pain. When you stretch these muscles properly, you release that tension. Your spine aligns better. Your pain decreases. It's that simple. Here's the key though. You need to be consistent. These stretches work best when you do them daily, not just once a week, every single day. Spend 10 to 15 minutes stretching and you'll notice a dramatic difference within a week. Your back will feel looser, your pain will decrease, your mobility will improve. Let's start with the number 1 stretch for back pain, the knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back on a flat surface. Bend one knee and pull that knee toward your chest. Use your hands to pull it in closer. Hold for 30 seconds. You should feel a gentle stretch in your lower back and glutes. Then switch legs. Do this 3 times on each side. This stretch directly targets the lower back and glutes, which are almost always tight if you have back pain. Number 2 is the cat-cow stretch. This is a game changer. Get on your hands and knees. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders. Your knees should be directly under your hips. Then slowly arch your back, drop your chest toward the ground, and look up. That's the cow position. Hold for 2 seconds, then reverse it. Round your spine, tuck your chin, and pull your belly button toward your spine. That's the cat position. Hold for 2 seconds. Do this 10 to 15 times slowly. This stretch mobilizes your entire spine and increases flexibility dramatically. It also warms up your back muscles before doing other stretches. Number 3 is the forward fold stretch. Stand up with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly bend forward from your hips and let your arms hang down. Don't force it, just let gravity do the work. You should feel a stretch in your hamstrings, your lower back, and your calves. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Don't bounce. Stay still. Hamstring tightness is one of the biggest causes of lower back pain. When your hamstrings are tight, they pull on your lower back and create pain. This stretch directly releases that tension. Number 4 is the child's pose stretch. Get on your hands and knees. Then slowly sit your hips back toward your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the ground. You should feel a deep stretch in your entire back, your shoulders, and your hips. Hold this for 60 seconds. Breathe deeply. This is actually more of a relaxation pose than a stretch, but it's incredibly powerful for relieving back tension. Your entire posterior chain relaxes in this position. Number 5 is the spinal twist stretch. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Then gently let both knees fall to one side while your shoulders stay on the ground. Your head can follow your knees or stay looking straight up. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Then repeat on the other side. This stretch targets your obliques and your spinal erectors. It increases spinal mobility and releases deep tension. Now, here's the most important part: the timing and consistency. Do these 5 stretches in order every single day. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes on each stretch. It takes about 15 minutes total. The best time is either first thing in the morning or right before bed. Morning stretching will loosen you up for the day. Evening stretching will help you sleep better and wake up less stiff. Don't force any of these stretches. Stretching should be gentle and gradual. You should feel a pull, not pain. If something hurts, back off immediately. Stretching should feel good, not bad. Push to about 70 to 80% of your maximum range of motion. Never go to 100% because that can cause injury. Also, make sure you're staying hydrated throughout the day. Dehydrated muscles are tight muscles. Drink plenty of water, and your muscles will be more flexible and responsive to stretching. It makes a huge difference. Another thing, combine these stretches with light movement. Walking, yoga, or gentle swimming will complement your stretching routine and accelerate your back pain relief. You don't need to do intense exercise, just light movement combined with consistent stretching. Here's what's going to happen if you commit to this routine. Day 1 through 3, you'll feel a bit looser, but not dramatic changes yet. Day 4 through 7, your pain will start decreasing noticeably. You'll feel more mobile. Day 8 and beyond, you'll wonder why you didn't start this sooner. Your back will feel so much better. Your posture will improve. You'll have more energy because you're not dealing with constant pain. One more thing, if your back pain is severe or doesn't improve after 2 weeks of consistent stretching, see a doctor or physical therapist. These stretches work for most cases of general back pain caused by tight muscles, but some back pain requires professional help. So here's my challenge for you. Start this routine today. Do all 5 stretches right now. Notice how your back feels. Then do it again tomorrow and the day after that. Commit to 7 days, and you'll see real improvements. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Peak Vibe Fitness for more stretching routines and pain relief exercises. Drop a comment below and tell me which stretch feels the best for your back. I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.